In this video, I'll show you how to set password on Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. I'm currently using the Windows 11, right? So if you love to set password on your Windows 11 computer, ensure you watch through what I'm going to do right now. At first, click on this, right? On this start, click on the settings. Once I've clicked on the settings, wait for it to load up, right? Once it has opened up, you'll be displayed with a whole lot of options right here. What you're going to click on the account, right? Once I've clicked on the account, you'll be displayed with a whole lot of other options as well. So click on the sign in options, right? So if you're using the Windows 11 and you love to set a password here on your Windows, right? So as each time you want to open your system, you'd use the password to log in, right? For security reasons and for private and personal reasons. So there's the facial recognition, there's the fingerprint recognition, the pin, the security key, the password, picture password, right? So you're going to click on this password right now. Once I've clicked on it, you're going to click on the add, right? So you can come on here. If you're using the Windows 11, you can come on here and add the password, create a password. You type in the new password you would love to use to properly secure your Windows 11 computer, right? You'd confirm the password. You'd give the password a hint, right? In case you forget it, so as you can be able to remember it. So this is how you can set password on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.